If you find yourself in need of an image, audio, or video for a project or assignment, search.creativecommons.org is the best place to start. By using the resources through Creative Commons Search, you can avoid a potential copyright infringement. On the landing page, you'll probably see the checks marked for Use for Commercial Purposes and Modify, Adapt, or Build Upon. If this is for a school project, you can uncheck Use for Commercial Purposes to return more results in your search. I'm looking for a picture of the Mississippi River. Next, I'll choose from which provider I would like to search. Since I would like a photograph in this case, I'm going to use Google Images, Flickr, or Photopedia, or Pixabay. I would not use Open Clipart Library in this case since I would like a photo. When I click on Google Images, I return only results that are labeled for reuse with modification. That means I can use this for my own project. I like the looks of this picture. Now when I open it here in Google, the link at the top is a very long Google link. That's not the one I'm going to need to save. I'm going to click the picture, and it takes me in this case to a Wikipedia page. So I'll have to locate my picture again. Here it is. When I click on that image, I get the full picture and I get a direct link to the picture. Now I'm going to save this picture by right-clicking and choose Save Image As. For my project, I'll probably need a new folder. I'm going to save this on my desktop into my Mississippi project and hit Save. I'll also need to find out from my teacher whether I can just cite the link that the picture came from or if I need a full citation. If I need a full citation, I might use citationmachine.net to help me cite this source. But if your teacher is fine with just a link, then you can copy this link and put it into your document with your resources on it. To find more images, I'll just hit the back button until I'm back to the beginning. Now, here's a tip if you are looking for images related to an abstract concept or word. I'm going to look now for images for potential energy. I don't really want to search on the term potential energy because I'm not going to get back very good results when I do that. Instead, I'm going to think about what images come to my mind when I think about potential energy. One thing that comes to mind for me is a bow and arrow that's strung and waiting to be released. I'm going to click on Flickr this time to search for bow and arrow. And I have a couple options. This is the one I think I'll use. Now, on each provider's page, you'll save a little bit differently. On Flickr, I right-click and I choose how big of an image I would like. In this case, I'm going to choose medium 640. It takes me to the landing page where I choose to right-click, save image, and I'm going to make another folder for potential energy. Notice that by default I have random numbers down here as the name. I'm going to change that so I know what this picture actually is to bow and arrow, and save. This is a link that I will save to my resources page. So remember that Creative Commons should be your first stop when looking for media for school projects.